Our story begins in the Valley of the Kings in Egypt. It's the resting place of many of the great rulers of ancient Egypt, including Tutankhamun. Dallas Campbell is here to find out what Tutankhamun's tomb tells us about the famous ruler's life. Was the young king brave in battle or a keen hunter?
This is a dismantled chariot, or rather 6 chariots that were found in the tomb altogether.
Dallas meets radiologist Professor Ashraf Salim, who performs a virtual autopsy on Tutankhamun's remains. X-rays show that Tutankhamun was born with a problem with his left foot.
He would have had difficulty walking.
Yes,
he walked with a limp.
Definitely was limping at that time heavily.
If Tutankhamun could barely walk, would he have been able to ride a chariot?
I can't do it with 2 legs, let alone 1 leg.
Yeah, I think it's almost impossible.
Returning to the tomb, Dallas notices something. There are hundreds of walking sticks.
It all adds to the evidence that here was somebody who was in pain, who struggled. It's a very, very different image to the boy king that we're familiar with.